Aries. Tuloy natin. This is an Aries Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus collective bonus reading for the month of November. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Kamsa mga Aries, wala ako sa Manila, so maaaring madelay ang aking mga reply. But best effort, magre-reply ako agad pag wala na tayong word. Okay? Aries. Aries Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus collective bonus reading for the month of November. Kabuhayan, kaperahan, pamilya, relasyon. Okay, let's see. Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus collective bonus reading for the month of November. Anong meron? Anong meron para sa ating mga Aries? Let's see. Ay nag-iisang account na may siksaran ay kay Angeles 11. Any messages coming from a different account? Hindi po ako yan. Mag-ingat sa scammers. Aries. Page of Swords in reverse, mga chismis, usapan, mga taong naiinggit sa'yo tungkol sa pera, and you're walking away from any kaibigan, connection, love connection that you feel na parang hindi naman long term. Pagka may chismis, kapag negative, kapag nahihirapan ka, pag natotoksikan ka, iiwas ka. Okay? Ten of Pentacles ay trabaho, community, kaibigan, even love connection, family, kung sino man yan. Sabi mo, kapag alam mo na insincere, lalayo ka na. Pagod ka na sa drama, toxicity, mga taong nagtitake advantage nung kabaitan mo. Okay? This is an Aries energy, the Emperor, chismis, sadness, disappointment. Sabi mo, you're trying to consider other people's feelings, no? But gusto mo rin naman ng equal reciprocity. There's a feminine in this connection. Marami siyang iniisip about trabaho, kabuhayan. Parang gusto muna to take a break from work, nabu-burn out na. There's also an energy here if the masculine is having like, kung nasa committed connection, meron siyang iniisip kung eto na ba yun? Because meron siyang kinoconsider someone here na parang tama ba ang tao na to para sa kanya. Strength card, unrequited love. I feel, no, may energy here na parang scoreboard na ginawa ko to, ginawa ko yan. This is what I bring to the table. Ano naman bigay sa'yo ng person mo. Nagkakaroon ng scoreboard about pag-ibig, pasensya, pagmamahal, chances na ibinigay. Because I feel, Aries, you're trying to heal this connection. And kahit ano yung effort mo, you feel unloved and unrequited. It feels for you that you're giving more sa connection na to, more than your person giving to you. Though you're looking forward na magkaroon ng harmony, long-term ang relationship na to, gusto mong ilaban, minsan napapagod ka, but sabi mo, parang too early to say for you na to call it quits. Sabi mo, gusto mong ilaban ng connection na to, gusto mo ng honesty, pero malayo pa sa'yo to really think of long-term. If may involve na kasal dito sa connection na to, parang iniisip nyo na mas makakabuti na i-delay muna kung ano man yung divorce or annulment here dahil yon ang makakabuti para sa mga bata. Marami rin kino-consider na baka for most of you na may kasal na involved, lalo na kung may bata, na baka hindi pa ready ang bata for that kind of separation. Okay? So may kino-consider kayo more than the two of you but also bata, family, properties ko naman. There's a masculine in this connection na nag-overthink kung paano i-move forward yung relationship na to at kung tama ba talagang i-move forward to at bigyan ng mas stable plan. You're trying to stay but detached, physically there but emotionally detached kung magkakaroon ba ng magandang outcome or not ang relationship na to. More of go with the flow energy. Do gusto niyo namang i-keep ang connection na to but very unstable and very, sabihin natin na marami pa rin kailangang adjustment or fine-tuning na gawin, but there's a communication card, so napag-uusapan namang mabuti on how to make things right. May mga balita about third-party trust issues na o-overthink. But I feel para sa mga Aries, mas mahalaga ang partnership sa pera with the 9 of Pentacles. Kumbaga, mas go with the flow energy pagdating sa love. But of course, pagdating sa partnership, mas focus, no? Sa 9 of Pentacles, kaperahan, kabuhayan, partnership, kontrata, mga kino-close na business deal. Okay? Which is the right thing to do. Okay? For mental clarity and stronger connection with your intuition, the purple crystal, amethyst. Okie dokie. Para sa manifesting abundance and happiness, the yellow crystal, Brazilian C3. Manifesting harmony, love, to heal the heart chakra, Madagascar rose quartz, the pink crystal. Okay, so, the reason for the reading is the feminine in this connection. Minamanage niya ang kanyang, halaga. Parang iniisip niya, okay ba talaga tong connection na to? Para sa kanya, go with the flow, very detached. Napapagod din yung feminine pagdating sa pag-ibig. Kaya parang very safe. Takot ma-hurt, takot ma-disappoint. And because of that, parang may problema sa communication here na parang tanungin mo, okay ka lang ba? Sabi, okay. Pero parang hindi naman. May little white lies about this relationship at kung ano talaga ang status ng connection na to. Recent past, may mga, sabihin natin, obligasyon, duties sa person na parang set aside ang relationship because of other priorities. Maraming inilalaban tungkol sa kaperahan, kabuhayan, kaya hindi ma-prioritize ang relationship na to. Prayers and manifestation, sabi ng ating mga Aries, sana matapos na ang mga conflict, pagod ka na rin sa competition, para sa'yo you want collaboration, ayaw mo na ng away. Pag itong partnership na to, itong love partnership ay nagdadala lang ng conflict, parang gusto mo na lang bumitaw, mahalaga sa'yo ang Ace of Pentacles, kaperahan, kabuhayan. Right now, sabi mo Aries, alam mo kung saan ka papunta, alam mo kung anong gusto mo. Oops, nahulog. Aries energy, leadership, marami kang minamanifest na malaking transformation tungkol sa sarili mo, personal growth, leadership, you realigning yourself sa mga personal goals mo. Okay? So, focus ka sa personal growth, glow up, pangarap, long-term goals. Meron kang malaking pangarap para sa sarili mo at sabi mong walang makakapigil sa'yo with the death card, the positive transformation energy. Your person with a full card. Your person is ready to take a leap of faith. Okay. May mga pag-uusap. There's a perspective para sa'yo na parang pagdating sa inyong dalawa, mas matured ka kaysa sa person mo. Sabi mo, may pagka-impulsive din magsalita yung person mo na sometimes you feel hurt about this connection. Parang may childlike energy na pag gusto niya, dapat makuha niya. So, naghahanap ka ng creative way on how to lovingly communicate this to your person. Meron ka mga doubts kung ready ka na ba for long-term commitment. Gusto mo ba talaga yun? Gusto mo ba talaga ng contract of love with the Hierophant, kasal, engagement? Are you ready for that? Ready ka bang magkaroon ng family? What you have ba is abundant enough for you to share that with your special someone? And I feel, mas focus ka sa kabuhayan, kaperahan, and dun sa empire na binibuild mo. Kasi, kung sino man makasama mo in the future, pag ready ka na to settle down, kaya gusto mong i-ready yung empire mo para pag nakapag-decide ka na ready ka na and decided ka na for this love connection, meron ka ng enough resources na, you know, to provide, and ito yung energy na what you bring to the table. Okay? Until the end of March, maraming doubts, maraming trust issues sa relationship na to. Meron pa rin fine-tuning na kailangang hanapin about this connection. Nagkakainisan. You're trying to find the balance, the wisdom, yung patience about this connection. do happiness nyo yung isa't isa at hanggang kaya mo naman to avoid conflict, you would avoid conflict. Nakikita ko naman na may plano kayo for the future. Okay, continue natin. So, nakikita ko naman na may mga plano kayo for the future. Kaya lang gusto mo lang maging safe. Na tama ba to? Because kapag, kumbaga, kung tinanggap mo yung engagement na to or kung nag-propose na, wala nang atrasan because para sa'yo, divorce or annulment is not on the table. Na parang pag nag-commit ka, dapat ito na. Walang atrasan, aayusan kahit ano mangyari. But the masculine in this connection still feels uncertain kung kaya ba niya yung mga obligasyon at responsibilities na kasama ng committed connection na may kontrata ng pag-ibig. But the masculine in this connection feels strongly about the feminine. Masaya kayo sa isa't isa, you're trying to avoid conflict, best effort, but meron pang mga fine-tuning na kailangang pag-aralan para maiwasan na yung mga, kumbaga pinag-aaralan nyo ugali ng isa't isa. Okay? But the readiness mukhang medyo matagal pa. Okay? May nakikita ako ditong dishonesty about relationship. So, kailangan mapag-usapan. Ready pa talaga or not? Because mas okay na sabihin na not yet ready kasi naman magja-jump kayo sa isang connection, solid commitment na hindi naman talaga ready. Okay? Pinag-iisipan din ng masculine kung ready ba siya. And sabi ng feminine, parang hindi rin siya ganon ka-confident pa to accept any like engagement or kasal from the masculine because parehong ina-admit nyo na hindi pa kayo ready to settle down. Hindi pa ready for anything to sa next level ng relationship. Okay? Kung may mga batang involved, pinipilit nyo na maging maayos, maging payapa yung pagsasama para na lang sa bata. The masculine here believes na parang, lalo na kung may kasal o may batang involved, na dapat isave yung relationship, na para sa masculine is normal lang yan na nagkakatampuhan, nag-aaway. But kung may kasal or batang involved, siya na lang daw yung mag-a-adjust para ma-save ang relationship na to, especially kung may kasal na involved. Sabi ng masculine, sige, best effort. Sa perspective niya, ginagawa niya yung lahat na kaya niya to save this connection. Okay. Nakalimutan ko ano yung reading natin last, yung November reading. But this one is like, nag-a-adjust, nagpapakiramdaman. Though, walang solid na nakikitang ano ba talaga yung sa future. Adjustment. Okay? Regardless kung gaano na kayo katagal. For some of you, may involved na nakasal. For some of you, na parang nabigla na ikinasal, na engage, nag-iisip kung naging tama ba yung naging decision sa engagement na to or kasal na to just because may anak or nabuntis. Okay? But, ang nakikita ko lang magandang energy dito, now na nag-commit kayo sa isa't isa, ilalaban to hanggat kaya. Okay? And that is the potential of the connection. And that would be the Aries reading for the month of, bonus reading for the month of November. See you again in a few days for your bonus reading. Bye-bye, Aries. For your December reading. Bye-bye, Aries.